Proactive English practice.
Hello, I ordered a taxi. Where are you?
I'm on Elm Street, a blue car.
I'm on Elm Street too. I don't see you.
I'm near the pharmacy.
Which pharmacy?
The one on the corner.
I see a pharmacy, but no blue car.
Are you on the north side or south side?
I don't know. How do I check?
Look at the building numbers. Even or odd?
Even, number 42.
I'm on the odd side, number 37.
The other side of the street?
Yes, cross the road.
I see you, the blue car.
Finally.
Sorry, I didn't know about odd and even.
Now you know, get in.
Where are we going first?
You tell me.
The mall, please.
Hi. I need to exchange this sweater. Of course. What's the problem? It's too big. My aunt sent it. What size is it? Large, but I need a medium. Do you have the receipt? No, it was a gift.
No problem. We can exchange without one.
Really? Thank you.
Same sweater, in medium?
Yes, please. Same color, green.
Let me check. Yes, we have one.
Can I try it on?
The fitting room is on the left.
This one fits perfectly.
Much better. The green suits you.
Thank you. My aunt will be happy.
She has good taste. Just wrong size.
I'll tell her. Thank you.
I'd like a chicken wrap, please. Sorry? It's very loud in here. Chicken wrap. Chicken what? Wrap. W-R-A-P. Oh, a wrap. Got it. And fries. Large or small fries? Large. What drink? What? Drink. What do you want to drink? Oh, cola, please. Regular or diet? Regular. That's a combo. $9.50. Here, card. Thank you. Your number is 47. 47. Got it. We'll call your number. If I can hear it. Good point.
Morning, Lisa. Going out?
Yes, I want a nice walk today.
Have you tried the Riverfront Trail?
Riverfront Trail? Where is that?
Start at Bridge Street. Go along the river.
How long is the trail?
About 3 miles. Very flat. Easy.
3 miles? That's perfect.
There are benches along the way.
And shade? It's hot today.
Lots of trees. And a fountain halfway.
A fountain? That sounds beautiful.
Great for photos, too.
Mark will love that.
Wear comfortable shoes.
I need new walking shoes.
The shoe store on Pine Street is good.
Pine Street. Got it.
Enjoy the walk. The views are amazing.
Thank you, Tom. See you later.
Hi, I want to rent a bike. First time using City Bike? Yes. How does it work? Download the app, create an account. Okay, downloading now. Choose a plan. 1 hour or full day? How much is 1 hour? $3. And the full day? $10. Unlimited rides. Full day. We're here all day. Smart. The app gives you a code. A code? For what? Type the code on the bike lock. And the lock opens? Yes. Take any bike. Return it to any station. Any station? That's convenient. There's one near the Riverfront Trail. We're going there. Perfect. Enjoy the ride and wear a helmet. I will. Thank you.
Hi. I need comfortable walking shoes.
For the city or for hiking?
City walking. Long distances.
These are very popular. Light and soft.
Can I try them? Size 7.
Here you go. Try these.
Oh, they're so light.
Walk around the store. Test them.
They feel great, like clouds.
The cushion is very thick. Good for walking.
My neighbor said I need good shoes.
Your neighbor is right. Feet are important.
How much are they?
$45.
That's fair for comfortable shoes.
They'll last a long time.
I'll take them. Can I wear them now?
Of course. I'll put your old shoes in a bag.
Thank you. I'm ready for the trail.
The Riverfront Trail?
Yes. How did you know?
Everyone goes there on Saturdays.
Excuse me. Can you take my photo?
Sure, nice fountain.
Can you take it horizontally?
Horizontal? You mean sideways?
Yes, wide, not tall.
Like this?
Yes. Can you get the fountain too?
Move a little, to the left.
Like this?
Perfect. 1, 2, 3, click.
Let me see. Oh, my eyes are closed.
One more. Ready? Smile.
Okay, ready.
Click. This one is perfect.
Yes, thank you so much.
You look very happy.
I am. It's my weekend adventure.
Great spot, by the way.
Yes, Lisa will love this photo.
Enjoy the trail.
Hi. 2 tickets for the 6 o'clock movie?
Sure. Which movie?
Lost in Paris. Is it in English?
It's a French movie.
French? I don't speak French.
It has subtitles. English text at the bottom.
Subtitles? Not dubbing?
Do you prefer dubbing?
Dubbing is easier. Someone speaks English.
We only have the subtitle version.
Is the text easy to read?
Yes, big white letters, very clear.
Can my husband read it fast enough?
Yes. The text stays on screen long enough.
Okay, 2 tickets, please.
Screen 2, row F, great view.
How much?
$22 for 2.
Here, card, please.
Enjoy. Subtitles are good for learning.
That's true. French and English.
Hi. Do you have lockers here?
Yes, small, medium, and large.
We have 4 bags. What size?
4 bags. You need a large locker.
How much is the large one?
$8 for the whole day.
That's fine. How does it work?
Put your bags inside. Close the door.
Then what?
Set a 4-number code.
I'll use 4721.
Good. Write it down. Don't forget.
I'll save it on my phone.
Smart. The lockers are around the corner.
Can I keep it until tonight?
Yes, we close at midnight.
Perfect. Thank you.
Don't forget your code.
I won't. I hope.
Hi. I'd like a baguette, please.
Fresh one, just out of the oven.
It smells amazing.
Thank you. Anything else?
Can you slice it for me?
Of course. How thick?
Medium slices. For a picnic.
A picnic? Where?
The Riverfront Trail.
Beautiful spot. Especially the fountain.
We're going there later.
How many slices do you want?
About 8. Is that possible?
8 slices. No problem.
Thank you. Do you have butter too?
Small packets. By the counter.
I'll take 2 butter packets.
Baguette and butter. $5.
Here. This bread is going to be perfect.
Enjoy your picnic.
That was beautiful. What song was that?
Thank you. It's a jazz classic.
Jazz. I love jazz.
You have good taste.
How long have you been playing?
The guitar? 20 years.
20 years. You're amazing.
Thank you. Do you play anything?
No, but I love listening.
That's just as important.
Do you play here every weekend?
Every Saturday afternoon. This corner.
I'll come back next Saturday.
I'll play something special for you.
Can I leave a tip?
Of course. The hat is right there.
Here, $5.
Very generous. Thank you.
You made our evening beautiful.
That's the best tip of all.
This tea is perfect.
The balcony, the sunset, the tea.
What a day! Let's remember everything.
I couldn't find the taxi this morning.
Odd side, even side. Who knew?
Now I know. Odd and even numbers.
I exchanged the sweater from my aunt.
Same green, just smaller?
Medium. Fits perfectly now.
I ordered food at the food court.
You were shouting.
Chicken wrap! Everyone was shouting.
I bought walking shoes on Pine Street.
They look great. How do they feel?
Like clouds. I walked 3 miles.
I rented a city bike. $10 all day.
And you took a photo at the fountain.
My eyes were closed the first time.
But the second one was perfect.
And the movie? With the subtitles?
I understood everything. Subtitles help.
I put our bags in the locker.
Did you remember the code?
4721. I checked my phone 3 times.
The baguette from the bakery was so good.
Fresh bread and butter on the trail.
And the jazz musician.
20 years of guitar. Amazing.
Best Saturday in a long time.
Same time next weekend?